Here we are in a main bathroom, or a hallway bathroom, or some people refer to it as the kids' bathroom, which is usually on the second floor in the hallway. In a typical Bosch Services bathroom, we completely gut the space, only leaving the ceiling drywall so that we don't disrupt the insulation above in the ceiling space, in the attic space. Once we have removed everything, we check all the studs and the subfloor for rotten plywood, previous leaks, mold, and we treat all that once everything is open. And then we apply backing to the walls where we're gonna put things like your towel bars. So there's backing inside so we can properly install these fixtures onto the wall so that they don't get ripped off by anybody, and then you have more holes in the wall where you need to do paint touch-ups. When everything is out and we're ready to start rebuilding and putting in all the mechanical features, we have our professional plumber come in. He installs the tub, all the faucets for the bathroom. We ensure that the toilet flange, where the toilet sits, is ready for a new toilet. We also ensure that the vanity plumbing is in the right place, shutoffs are replaced, and the drains are cut back and replaced with new. We also take care of all the backing for the tile, and that obviously gets replaced. So all new tile with a soap niche. A soap niche can be almost any size, and we can put it in a wall that isn't an exterior wall because we need insulation in a wall to keep ourselves warm from the exterior elements. The fan is removed and replaced, as well as the exterior roof vent, and the hose from the roof to the fan is replaced completely. This fan is on 60-minute timer, which is also installed by our electricians. When the electricians do come in, we replace all the wiring in the bathroom. So it's completely brought up to current building code standards. You get a receptacle at the vanity. Depending on the length of the vanity and how many sinks are in it, we may need to add a second receptacle. We also have the switch for the light fixture above the sink, and we have a switch for the pot light in the shower area. And that is a typical Bosch Services main bathroom.